Welcome to the channel. If you're looking to do this with any image on ChatGPT, I've got you covered, so stick close. Today we're making a Moody cinematic black and white AI portrait photo. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is jump into chatgpt.com, right? And right over here, you're going to open a new chat and it says ask anything. Now, let us paste in our prompt. This prompt over here can, if you would like to, be customized. However, this works. So if you'd like to change one or two small details, you can, but you can find this right in the description down below. So you can literally just copy paste and sort of customize it to your liking. Now you need to upload the reference image. So let's go ahead and hit the plus icon, and here click on add photos and files. Ultimately, you'll be able to explore your device and choose an image. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and click on send on the bottom right hand side. This is really, really simple. It'll take a few seconds. Of course, if you've upgraded, it'll take a little bit quicker. It'll take a little bit less time, but ultimately you'll be waiting a few seconds to a few minutes, and you will get your image right over here. Now, let me show you exactly what it looks like. So this is ultimately the image that I got from that prompt and uploading my image. And I think it's pretty good.